We know to make ads like this, we need After Effects, which is tough to master. But can Canva do it? Let's see for ourselves. Step 1. Bring the pieces together. Take a Facebook video, 1080 by 1080 pixels. Take the shoe and a transparent gradient blob. Using duotone, turn its color to green as same as the shoe. Now place it at the corners, top left and bottom right. Add shadow to the shoe. Add necessary text and information. Choosing fonts, Anton has the bold one and big shoulder display to go with it, and change the colors to the same green. Increase letter spacing for premium. Adding brand's logo. Duplicate the shoe twice for the match and move transition to happen. And duplicate the clip, rotate a shoe and increase its transparency. Repeat it once more and add the brand's tagline. And give it accent animation. Step 2. Make it move. Now add match and move transition on each clip. What match and move does is, it moves the elements from the previous position and drags them to the current one in a smooth way if done right. I understand it is not as good as After Effects, but it is far down the road for beginners and can make do until you master After Effects. See you later. Have a great day.